Myself Rahul Gohil. I have 8-year experience in IIT Mathematics. Okay, see here, question number first. Let the functions f from R to R and g from R to R be defined by f of x. First function is given and second g of x. Okay, 1 by 2 e raised to x minus 1 plus e raised to 1 minus x. Then the area of the region in the first quadrant bounded by the curves y is equals to f of x and y is equals to g of x and x is equals to 0. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे मैं दो फंक्शन दिए हुए, तो वो दो फंक्शन को हमें डिफाइन करवाना है क्योंकि यहाँ पे मॉड्यूलस है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी हियर f of x is equals to e raised to x minus 1 minus e raised to minus x minus 1, sorry, mod x minus 1. तो this function breaks at x is equals to 1. Okay, so here less than or equal to x means, see here, whenever x is less than or equal to 1, therefore x minus 1 is less than or equal to 0, therefore mod x minus 1 is equals to minus x minus 1. Then here replace e raised to x minus 1 minus or minus plus x minus 1. Therefore this term is cancelled. Therefore finally answer here f of x is 0. When x is less than or equal to 1 and then x is greater than 1 है, उसके लिए फंक्शन क्या है तो हमें डिफाइन करना है. इफ x is greater than 1, therefore x minus 1 is greater than 0, therefore हमें क्या मिलेगा, mod x minus 1 is equals to plus x minus 1. So here mod x minus 1 replace with x minus 1, therefore e raised to x minus 1 minus e raised to minus x minus 1 whenever x is greater than 0. Okay, then another function is given g of x, second function 1 by 2 e raised to x minus 1 plus e raised to 1 minus x. See here, draw the graph of these two functions. At x is equals to 1, value of f of x is 0. 1 पे फंक्शन की वैल्यू 0 है. देन ग्रेटर देन 1, उसके लिए फंक्शन हमें डिफाइन किया हुआ है, धीरे धीरे वो इंक्रीज होता जाएगा. सिमिलरली हियर at x is equals to less than 0 means 1 means 0 to 1, value of f of x is 0. And here g of x is equals to 1 by 2 e raised to x minus 1 plus e raised to 1 minus x. Then here put x is equals to first of all 0. Then value of g of x is means g of 0 is equals to 1 by 2 e raised to minus 1 plus e raised to 1. This is a finite answer, g of 0. Okay, here 1 by 2 e raised to minus 1 plus e raised to 1. And the graph of this function is, this is f of x and this is g of x. This point is the intersection of these two curves. And first of all find intersection point. Then here f of x is equals to y and here g of x is also y. Okay, here question is given. Then compare both the term, both the function. तो हमें मिलेगा यहाँ से e raised to x minus 1 minus e raised to minus x minus 1, because here this point which is greater than 1 उसके लिए function हमें यहाँ पे define किया हुआ है, e raised to x minus 1 minus e raised to minus x minus 1 is equals to 1 by 2 g of x. G of x is also defined 1 by 2 e raised to x minus 1 plus e raised to 1 minus x. Then take LCM here. 2 e raised to x minus 1 minus 2 e raised to minus x minus 1 is equals to e raised to x minus 1 plus e raised to minus x minus 1. Therefore, here e raised to x minus 1 is equals to 3 e raised to minus x minus 1. Then take both the side log. तो यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा x minus 1 is equals to log 3 minus x minus 1. Therefore, 2 into x minus 1 is equals to log 3. X minus 1 is equals to 1 by 2 log 3. Therefore, x is equals to 1 plus log root 3. This is the intersection point. This point is 1 plus log root 3. Then find the area. Limits from 0 to 1 plus log root 3. Then upper को minus lower को. Here limits break at 1. Okay, 0 to 1 and 1 to 1 plus log root 3. Okay, 0 to 1 plus 1 to 1 plus log root 3. 0 to 1, f of x is 0, means g of x dx, and here g of x minus f of x into dx. 0 to 1, g of x is equals to here 1 by 2 e raised to x minus 1 plus e raised to 1 minus x into dx plus 1 to 1 plus log root 3. G of x is equals to 1 by 2 e raised to x minus 1 plus e raised to 1 minus x. Then minus f of x is equals to e raised to x minus 1 minus e raised to 1 minus x into dx. Then 1 by 2 here constant outside the integration. Integrate this term. Here minus negative 0 to 1 plus here 1 by 2 constant. Then take LCM here. Okay, take here LCM. Then we'll get 3 e raised to 1 minus x minus 1 here minus e raised to x minus 1 1 plus 1 to log root 3 1 to 1 plus log root 3 sorry. लिमिट यहाँ पे वैल्यू रखनी है हमें. फाइनली आंसर हमें लिमिट 1 by 2 e raised to 1 minus 1 0 minus e raised to 1 minus 1 0. Then minus put lower limit e raised to minus 1 minus e raised to 1 plus 1 by 2 here minus 3 e raised to 1. Put here upper limit 1 minus ln 3 means log root 3. Then minus e raised to 1 plus log root 3 minus 1. Then minus put lower limit minus 3 e raised to 0 sorry e raised to 1 minus e raised to minus 1. Here 1 cancel. Then finally we'll get answer 2 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 e raised to 1 minus e raised to minus 1. Option C. Then here plus 1. Then option C is the correct answer. Question 2. Consider all rectangles lying between region x comma y belongs to R cross R where 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2 and 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 2 sin 2x, and having one side of rectangle on the x-axis and the area of rectangle which has maximum perimeter among all such rectangle. See here, यहाँ पे हमें रीजन डिफाइन किया हुआ। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल do the graph of this region. Here x, value of x lies between 0 and pi by 2. Here 0, here pi by 2, and here pi by 4. Whenever y is equals to here sine 2 sine 2x, then put here x is equals to 0 here, then value of sine 0, 0, 0 into 2 0, therefore y is equals to 0, and put here x is equals to pi by 4, therefore 2 into pi by 4, therefore pi by 2, sine pi by 2 1, 1 into 2, therefore 2, here 2, and put here x is equals to pi by 2, 2 2 cut, means sine pi 0, 0 into anything 0. Then draw the graph, and this rectangle lies in this region, such kind of rectangles. Suppose this is breadth of the rectangle to alpha, therefore we can write here this term, okay, this length is alpha, therefore here this point is pi by 4 plus alpha comma 0, therefore x coordinate here pi by 4 plus alpha comma 0, then x is given pi by 4 plus alpha, put here, therefore y is equals to 2 sine 2 into pi by 4 plus alpha, open this bracket, 2 sine pi by 2 plus 2 alpha, here pi by 2 means vertical line, therefore function will change to cos 2 alpha, pi by 2 plus means second quadrant, in second quadrant sign is positive, here 2 cos 2 alpha, this is a point P, okay, lies on this curve, y is equals to 2 sine 2x. Then perimeter is equals to 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into length is equals to this term, means is equals to y coordinate of point P, 2 cos 2 alpha, plus breadth is equals to here 2 alpha, therefore 2 common, therefore 4 into 1 plus cos 2 alpha, this is f of alpha. Then find f dash of alpha, 4 minus 2 sine 2 alpha, means minus, sorry, here 2 common, therefore alpha plus cos 2 alpha, and then derivative of this term 4 into 1 plus 2 sine 2 alpha, here minus, therefore 4 into 1 minus 2 sine 2 alpha. Then find f double dash of f, therefore here 16 minus 16 cos 2 alpha. For maximum perimeter, okay, maximum perimeter के लिए f dash of alpha is equals to 0. F dash of alpha is equals to 0. Here f dash of alpha is equals to 4 bracket 1 minus 2 sine 2 alpha. Therefore 1 minus 2 sine 2 alpha is equals to 0. Therefore sine 2 alpha is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore 2 alpha is equals to pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6. Then alpha is equals to pi by 12 and 5 pi by 12. So for maximum perimeter at alpha is equals to pi by 12. Put here alpha is equals to pi by 12 in f double dash, means which is less than 0. F double dash alpha which is less than 0. Therefore alpha is equals to pi by 12 gives maximum perimeter. Therefore area of the rectangle area of the rectangle means length into breadth. Length is equals to y coordinate of point P, means L into B. L is equals to 2 cos 2 alpha plus B is a breadth, is equals to 2 alpha. Sorry, into. Therefore 4 alpha cos 2 alpha. 4 alpha is equals to here pi by 12. Put here pi by 12 into cos 2 into pi by 12 means pi by 6. Therefore pi by 3 into root 3 by 2. Therefore pi upon 2 root 3 square unit. This is a final answer. The option C is the correct answer. See question number 3. Let S be the set of all complex numbers Z satisfying this equation modulus of Z square plus Z plus 1 is equals to 1. Then which of the following statement is or are true? Here option is given. A. Modulus of Z plus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 for all Z belongs to S. And option B is mod Z is less than or equal to 2 for all Z belongs to S. And option C. Modulus of Z plus 1 by 2 greater than or equal to 1 by 2 for all Z belongs to S. And option D is all set S has exactly 4 elements. Here, first of all, use the equation. Modulus of Z square plus Z plus 1 is equals to 1. Here, first of all, find last term. Last term is middle term square upon 4 into first term means Z square upon 4 into Z square. Therefore 1 by 4. Here we can write Z square plus Z plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equals to 1. Then here this is a whole square. Z plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 is equals to 1. Then use here triangle inequality. Triangle inequality is mod Z plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4 is less than or equal to mod Z plus 1 by 2 whole square plus mod 3 by 4. Triangle inequality. Then here this term is equals to, we can write here 1 less than or equal to here Z plus 1 upon 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. Then plus 3 by 4 take left side. Therefore mod Z plus 1 by 2 whole square is greater than or equal to 1 by 4. Therefore mod Z plus 1 by 2 is greater than or equal to 2 for all Z belongs to S. Okay, therefore option C is correct. Then use another triangle of inequality. Mod Z1 minus Z2 is greater than or equal to mod Z1 minus mod Z2. So here we can write Z square plus Z, which is Z1. This term is Z1, this term is Z2. Here we can write minus of minus 1 is greater than or equal to mod Z square plus Z minus mod of minus 1. This term is equal to, we can write 1 is greater than or equal to Z square plus Z. Here minus. Modulus of minus 1 is 1. Take left side, therefore 2 greater than or equal to Z square plus Z. Therefore here Z square plus Z is less than or equal to 2. Here Z common, Z plus 1 less than or equal to 2. Therefore modulus of Z or Z plus 1 is less than or equal to 2. Here we can write modulus of Z is equals to modulus of Z is less than or equal to 2 for all Z belongs to S. Okay, then another option is B. Therefore correct option is, answer is B and C. This is the final answer.